By virtue of the authority vested on me as the provincial governor of the province of Ifugao, I now declare that Ifugao General Hospital is open. Thank you.
After 4 presidents, 2 congressmen spanning the 15th to the present 19th Congress, 5 governors, 7 Department of Health regional directors and acting regional directors, 2 provincial officers, health officers, but only 1 chief of hospital. We are now gathered here today, April 18, 2024, to be witnesses to the inauguration of the new Ifugao General Hospital as a 45-bed Level 1 facility.
Ifugao can join all the other provinces in the region that have their own provincial hospitals. Finally, an important part of the province-wide health system has been actualized. And finally, more constituents of Ifugao can enjoy quality, equitable, accessible, and affordable healthcare services.
Has finished, and habang gusto mo na-finish, we will start ako director na comply iti para requirement para iti level 2. So, from January, maka-apply tayo, apply for the level 2 hospital and increase the beds capacity next year.